Very good morning to all of you. Start your trading day with Kavri morning moves. In the week passed by, a market remained in the control of bears. Key benchmark indices Nifty fell over 281 points or a 2.51% to end the week at 7029 levels. Even the market breadth remained negative as all the major indices closed in red with a loss of anywhere between 0.77% to negative 3.85% on a weekly closing basis. And among all, Bank Nifty made a fresh 52-week low of 13,519 levels. The market on a Friday recouped some losses after the economic survey pointed out that the Indian economy has a potential to grow at 8% or higher in the next couple of years. Technically, Nifty gave up all the gain clocked during the penultimate week and currently maneuvering near its elementary support of 2000 weekly exponential moving average, while on the daily chart it is finding resistance to move above 21-day exponential moving average, which is currently placed at 7200 levels, exhibiting underlying weakness in the market. At this junction, Nifty stand close to its recent 52-week low of 68.69, falling to a hold above which is potentially it may correct further towards 6650, 6700 levels, which is it is likely to find support from a golden Fibonacci ratio of 61.8% projected from 5,118 to the high of 9,119 levels. Therefore, for the day, if the Nifty is able to sustain below 7,000 levels, we are giving a short in that, keeping stop loss above 7050 for the target of 6950, 6930 levels. For today, we have 5 calls, out of which we are giving a 3 long and 2 shorts. Except there is a long above 283, keeping stop loss of 234 for the target of 244. J indication is long above 56.4, keeping stop loss of 54.5 for a target of 59.3. VDL is a long above 72.5, keeping stop loss of 70 for a target of 76.3. Golden Industries is short below 301, keeping stop loss of 308 for a target of 290. Wakhat Pharma is a short below 768, keeping stop loss of 793 for a target of 730. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.